Looking to buy or sell a home or property in Alberta? Finding the right real estate agent can make all the difference in achieving your goals smoothly, quickly, and efficiently. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find the best agent for your needs using Start Right Home's Pro Search Directory. Step 1. Know your needs. Are you buying your first home, selling a luxury condo, or investing in rentals? Agents often specialize in specific areas, and defining your goals will help you find someone with the right expertise. Start Right Home's Pro Search Directory is your go-to resource. It helps you find agents who specialize in residential, commercial, rural properties, and more. You can filter options to match your unique needs and preferences. Next, evaluate their credentials and expertise. Every agent in Start Right Home's Pro Search has their licensing and qualifications clearly displayed, so you can feel confident you're working with a professional. Pro Search also showcases the agent's focus areas and transaction experience, ensuring they meet high standards of expertise and reliability. Experience matters. On Start Right Homes' Pro Search Directory, you can see how long agents have been in the industry and what types of transactions they specialize in. Whether it's helping first-time buyers or handling complex commercial deals, you'll find someone with the right experience to meet your real estate goals. A seasoned agent who knows your local market can make all the difference in securing the best outcome. Transparency is key. During your search, look for an agent who is comfortable discussing their commission structure and any additional fees up front. Ask questions. Ask about referral programs. If you're a builder or investor, ask if they offer discounts for multiple transactions. Understanding their costs and services ensures there are no surprises and starts you off on the right track. Pro Search connects you with professionals who prioritize transparency and value, making it easy to choose the right agent for your budget and goals. Finally, schedule interviews. A short conversation can reveal an agent's communication style and approach to your goals. Ask them about their strategies, market knowledge, and how they plan to deliver results. By connecting with a few agents, you'll find someone who's not only qualified but also the perfect fit for your needs and expectations. To recap, define your goals. Use Start Right Home's Pro Search Directory to find qualified agents near you, verify their credentials, review their experience, and prioritize transparency. Don't forget to interview a few agents to find the perfect match. These steps will set you up for success in Alberta's real estate market. Thanks for watching. Visit startrighthomes.com today and let Pro Search make your journey to finding the perfect real estate agent simple and stress-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, check out our website for expert real estate insights and resources, and feel free to share with anyone entering the real estate market. Start right with Start Right Homes.